Hello everyone, my name is Akash Parik and in today's video we are going to solve a question which appeared in GATE 2016, and this is a numerical type question. Today I have taken a numerical type question and the question is very easy, just we need to require to put a trick. So the question is that what is 13 to the power 99 mod 17. So let us just first write this 13. So we can expand this and write this as 13 into 13 into 13 into dot 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 into 13 99 times. Suppose this is 99 times mod 17. So let us just take 113. So what is 13? Suppose I'm writing mod like this 17. So 13 mod 17 is 13, we know. But by remainder theorem, you may also know that 13 mod 17 is minus 4 also, because a minus b mod n, if you do like this then you will get this answer. So 13 mod 17 can be written as minus 4. So one way of looking at it as, you can just subtract this minus this, because if we have suppose 2 mod 2, that means 2 minus 2 is 0, so we can say that they are divisible like that. Or so 13 mod 17 is minus 4. And now if we do mod to each one of this by 17, then we will get minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4 into dot 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 minus 4. How many times? 99 times. So this we have 99 times. And now what we can do is that we can take a pair of minus 4 and minus 4, we can write it as 16. So how many times we can we write this? So total we have 99 and we want to make a pair, so we will divide it by 2. So 49 pair we can make and one will be alone. So 14 pairs we can make. So 16 will be 49 times. So this is 49 times 16. So this is 49 times into 1 times minus 4, because we have 1 left, and this whole thing will be mod 17. And now suppose, so this is 49 times. Suppose I am applying this mod again in this portion. So again what will be 16 mod 17? Either it will be 16 or we can say that 16 minus 17, that is minus 1. So let us just write minus 1. So minus 1 into minus 1 into dot 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 minus 1 minus 1. This is 49 times. So we are writing minus 1 49 times and into minus 4. And this we are doing mod 17. So we know that minus 1, if we multiply it odd number times, we will get minus 1 only. So it will come down to minus 1 into minus 4 mod 17, which is minus into minus 4 is 4 mod 17, which we can write as 4. So answer to this question, that means you have to write in the range, the question asks in the range 0 to 16, so we can write it as, that means it is asking for a positive number, so we can write it as 4. So the answer is 4. Thank you very much.